Dear students, in this video, we will discuss about class 7 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, chapter number 6, that is verb present tense. Okay, if you have not watched about the structure, uses, and different question patterns, you can also go to the playlist section and you can also watch all the videos related to present tense. Okay, look at the page number 52 53. Okay, page number 52 53. You have to make at least 5 sentences in simple present tense. Okay, I have mentioned here 10 sentence. You have to write only 5 sentence as per the question. Kanchi starts the day early. Adil and Albert play football. Okay, we finish our work on time. I go for swimming. She loves swimming. They love to live in Colombo. Kanchi goes to school. We start the day early. They love swimming. I live in Colombo. Okay. Then page number 55 or 56. Okay, 55, 56. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. Okay. My brother dash to cake. My brother loves to bake. Rina writes very well. Your argument makes some very good point. Okay. That computer doesn't work. That computer doesn't work. Next page 56. As soon as Bunny completes the summary, we can present the report. As soon as Vani completes the summary, we can present the project. The English language contains many words. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Okay. Hemant enjoys cooking. Then next, rewrite the following sentences using the simple present tense as directed in the bracket. Okay, Mr. Paul plans to watch a movie this weekend. You have to make into interrogative, yes no question. Okay, does Mr. Paul plan to watch a movie this weekend? Fatima handles such problems very efficiently. Interrogative. Does Fatima handle such problems very efficiently? Next question. We visit our grandparents at least 4 times every month. How many times do you visit your grandparents? Or you can also write how many times in a month do you visit your grandparents? Okay. Next, you must study for at least 4 hours to do well in the exams. WH question. How many hours must you study every day to do well in the exams? My sister knows how to play the piano. Okay, negative interrogative. All the different question pattern, negative interrogative, how to change negative into positive, positive into negative interrogative, all the question patterns have been discussed. You can go to the playlist section. Okay, doesn't my sister know, or you can call doesn't your sister know how to play the piano? Aditi always comes to class on time. Does Aditi always come to class on time? Jara wants to become an engineer. Interrogative. Does Jara want to become an engineer? I love to cook Chinese food at home. What do you love to cook at home? Homer's Iliad is one of the greatest epics of all time. You have to make into WH question. Which one is the greatest epics of all the time? Okay. Next, page number 57, 58. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous. Okay, also present continuous, its structure, its uses, its different question patterns also discussed in the video. You can find this video in the playlist section. Page number 57, 58. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous tense. Okay, we are celebrating my birthday. They are joining us for dinner tonight. My parents are buying me a gift for my birthday. My father is cooking a special dish for us. I am helping my father with the cooking. I am going for the relay match. The eagle is flying very high. I am looking at the nest in the tree through my binoculars. Okay. Then next, rewrite the following sentence as directed in the bracket. Manisha is taking part in the play. Interrogative. Is Manisha taking part in the play? We are meeting tonight. Negative. We are not meeting tonight. Will you be inviting Anna as well? You have to make it into affirmative sentence. You will be inviting Anna as well. He is coming with his sister. Interrogative. Is he coming with his sister? I am bringing my brother with me. Negative. I am not bringing my brother with me. The children are preparing for their dance performance. Are the children preparing for their dance performance? The students are excited about their field trip to Puri. Negative. The students are not excited about their field trip to Puri. My mother left her profession to become a writer. This is a simple past tense, okay? This is simple past. Did my mother leave her profession to become a writer? Ravi has invited all of his friends for his birthday party next week. Interrogative. This is also present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect. Has Ravi invited all of his friends for his birthday party? Okay, next week. Dear students, in the next page, page number 58 59, complete the following sentences with the present continuous form of the verb given in the bracket. Mention the role played by each sentence. That means you have to write in which purpose the present continuous tense is used. What are the various uses of present continuous? I have briefly discussed all the uses of present continuous. Okay, just look at this. You can go to the playlist section. Times and time for all the classes. Part 5. Uses of present continuous. Learning is the moment of speaking. That means at the time of speaking, the action which is happening at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, I am teaching grammar now. The action which. Okay, I have mentioned all the uses. You can watch this video and you have to do the exercise page number 58. You have to mention the role played by each sentence in which purpose the present continuous tense is used. Okay. This action is going on, but it is not happening at the time of speaking. That means the teachers are expecting their students to do their best in the examinations. Dinesh is practicing hard for his swimming competition. We are moving to the new house next week. My father is meeting the principal tomorrow. I am learning Spanish now. Mr. Mukherjee is teaching English to our class. She is talking to her mother now. New opportunities are waiting for those who work hard. Okay. Then page number 5960, fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the verb given in the bracket. Sima reads comic. We are watching the news right now. Listen, Dipal is singing in the bathroom. We help our parents with household chores. It's 7 a.m. and my brother is making breakfast for me. We clean our washroom regularly. I am walking towards the right now. Where are you? My sister plays tennis usually, but right now she is playing football. I swim every day. But today I want. Okay, but today I am wanting. Nahi, I want to sleep. Okay. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.